What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, that is awesome because it is my first time here as well. Today we're just going to be doing a super simple DIY of turning wine bottles into drinking glasses. First things first, we need a couple of tools to get this project started. You're obviously going to want to have some wine bottles on hand, a bottle cutting kit, a bowl of ice, a lighter, gloves, and safety glasses. As you can see when I'm going through the kit, mine did come with an instruction booklet and then also somewhat of like a project booklet. It came with sandpaper, sanding powder, a candle, and the actual scoring tool for getting the glass cut. I will go ahead and take that candle that came in my kit, or if you guys didn't get a candle in your kit, any candle will do. You're going to go ahead and light it, and you are going to slowly spin the wine bottle over the flame. It's really important that you're not going to have that wine bottle actually touch the flame. You want it to be close, but not touching. If you give it too much heat, sometimes it can cause cracks in the glass, or it can make your cut really uneven. Once you feel like you have really good amount of heat on that bottle, and it is obviously hot to the touch, you're going to want to take a piece of your ice and you are just going to run that ice over where that scoring mark is as well. And you're just going to continue to do that just like you did with the flame for quite some time until it feels very cold to the touch. So once you are done with that portion and you actually have the top of the bottle removed and you just have your glass portion, you are going to want to sand the top where the cut is really well. So you can see here I did start to just hand sand it with the piece of sandpaper that came in my kit, and this can be kind of time consuming. The second option is always going to be to just use your electric sander. I did this also, and I did it with a 220 grit sandpaper. Once you have sanded everything smooth and there's no sharp edges, you will want to clean these glasses really well just to make sure you get any dust or tiny fibers of glass removed. Fill them up and enjoy your DIY. guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and make sure I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next Wednesday. Bye!